Welcome to our channel. If you want to add premium channels or upgrade your Philo package with additional content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Philo TV website. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your account icon and select Account Settings or Manage Subscription from the menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Add-ons or Premium Channels section where you can browse available upgrades. Step 4. Review the premium channel options such as stars, epics, and other add-on packages that Philo offers. Each premium channel has its own monthly cost. Step 5. Click on the premium channels you want to add to your subscription. You will see the additional monthly fee displayed for each selection. Step 6. Review your updated subscription total, including your base Philo plan plus the cost of premium add-ons. Step 7. Click Add to Subscription or Confirm to finalize the upgrade. The changes will take effect immediately and you will have instant access. Step 8. Return to the Philo app on your devices and refresh the channel lineup to see your newly added premium channels. Check your email for confirmation of the package upgrade and updated billing information. Enjoy your expanded entertainment options with Philo premium channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.